Hello everyone, welcome. How are you? I hope you all are good. Let's have some discussion about house rent allowances tax exemption calculation under 80GG. This topic is very important for all the employees who are trying to reduce their taxable income. So this might this video might help you a lot. So let's have some basic points which need to be known before going for the calculation. For house rent allowances, this calculation is only useful for the employees who are getting house rent allowances in their salary. Some of the employees will not be getting house rental allowances separately in their salary slip. If they are not getting, those employees can't use this exemption for their for reducing their taxable income. This is only helpful for those who are getting house rental allowances in their payslip. So all those employees be concentrate for this video for next 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll get bit clear idea about how to do the calculation and all in different kind of situations. So now let's go for the conditions. What are the main conditions are required for the calculation? For house rental allowances exemption, how much the exemption can be done as per our criteria? There are three conditions. One is how much total HRA we are receiving per annum, and what is the 50% or 40% of the basic pay which we are receiving per annum. Third condition is how much rent we are paying excess to the 10% of a basic pay. So now I will give an example. Suppose we are getting a total basic pay of 6 lakhs per annum. So that means we are getting 62,500 per month. So this value is automatically updated for every month here. So no, you don't need to type on each values every time. You just need to enter these values, and it will be automatically updated in this list, and the total value will be calculated as per the conditions. So for your understanding, I've taken as total basic pay as 6 lakhs per annum, and total HR as 4 lakhs per annum, and total DA as 3 lakhs per annum. Note this point: DA is Denied allowances. So most of the government employees will be getting this DA. All the private employees take a point that most of the private companies don't give DA for their employees in their salary slip. Don't worry that if you are not getting DA in your salary slip, don't worry about that why we are not getting and all. These all will be given mostly for the government companies. So in my example, I took as 10,000 I'm paying for my house rent, and I took that as an example. So automatically my 10,000 has been updated for every month from April to March. Why I have taken from April to March? As financial cycle starts from April to next year March, and these all calculation, all the tax reductions and all tax calculation will be done in this month. So that's why I've taken from April to March. So okay, so so you all might be getting this. What is this third condition? Rent paid excess to the 10% of basic pay. Okay, let's have it with this example. Basic pay is how much? 6 lakhs. How much is 10% of basic pay? It's 60,000. If suppose you are paying rent excess to the 10% of basic pay, suppose how much rent you are paying? 10,000. Per annum, how much you are paying? 1.2 lakhs. But what is the 10% of basic pay? 60,000. So how much you are paying excess? 1.2 lakhs, reducing 60,000, that is 60,000. So in this third condition, your value will be 60,000. And what will be your first condition value? Total HRA received. How much you are receiving? 4 lakhs. So here you will be taken as 4 lakhs in condition 1. Condition 3 you will be taken as 60,000. In condition 2, it's based on which location you are, whether you are in metro location or non-metro location. This is the important, because if you're staying in metro location, 50% of basic pay will be taken as. If you're staying as non-metro location, 40% of basic pay will be taken into consideration. Suppose I'm in the metro city. Suppose I'm staying in Mumbai and I'm in the metro city, so it's 50%. 50% of a basic pay means 6 lakhs. 50% means 3 lakhs. So in condition 2, 3 lakhs will be taken. So in condition 1, it's 4 lakh. In condition 2, it's 3 lakh. What will be in condition 3? We got 60,000. Which is the least among all the three? 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or 60,000? Obviously, it's a 60,000. So total exemption will be taken as total exemption we can have like 60,000 around we can it can be consideration. Like these all calculation I have done per annum basis, but actual calculation will be done month wise. For that month wise only I have made this entire table. You can have a bit clarity on how much you can reduce month wise, because sometimes each month depends on your holidays and all, your basic pay and how HRA will be varying. So as per my point, I've taken every day I was attending my office, and no reductions are there, no reductions are there in a salary. So in that calculation, like so these all calculation are done as taking as non-metro. Suppose I am staying in a non-metro station. Like suppose you can take a small city or small village where you are staying and you are paying a rent of 10,000 there, and you are there. So like in metro cities, not all cities comes. Take an example of Nagpur, where it comes under non-metro station. So for non-metro station, house rent 10,000, HRA per month, which we took an example, it's coming as 31,250. DA value is coming 25,000. Basic pay is coming 62,500. So for these all values, uh, applicable HRA exemption is coming 1,250 per month. How we have calculated all these three conditions? I have entered this formula in this cell. For all these cells, I have entered the formula which consists of including all the conditions. So I am getting per annum. I can reduce 15,000. That is 1,250 per month. 12 months, so we can reduce taxable income by 15,000. Suppose if I'm getting 12 lakhs, 12 lakhs 15,000 as my total taxable income after doing my all my calculation, so I can reduce using this section. I can reduce another 15,000, which means from 12 lakhs 15,000, my taxable income will be 12 lakhs. So in this way, there are multiple sections are there for tax reductions. This is one of the section which is comes under 80GG, House Rental Allowances Tax Exemption Calculation. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in my comments in asking your queries and all. I will be there to resolve your queries. And don't worry, I will be sharing this Excel sheet in my description, such that you can download this Excel link, Excel file, and you can also use for your example. For your own salary, you can use, and you can have an understanding how much you can reduce your taxable income per month and per annum, how much totally it's benefiting you, whether it's benefiting you or not. Thank you. If you have any doubts, comment comment under my video. Bye. Have a good day.